Good idea. What did you guys
Discretionary.
I think because you want to xe này làm gì chứ mà
Everybody okay?
ठेला लाओ तीनों ठेला करने गए आओ हटाओ
गाड़ी किसका जरा पीछे कीजिए तो
लो आगे हेलो अंदर लेते हो हेलो ला
Joy
ना ठीक थोड़ा सा
extra gallon flour.
So he's not here, but their altar don't have, so I wanted to make an offering. So my last trip here, I arranged for this. So that's how auspicious, because today all of you can invite Jeremy together with me. This is how we make offerings all the time. I do this when I collect funds, when I get angbas, I collect it, and I make offering of statues everywhere. That's why for some of you, I gave instructions, give some money to make statues. I don't need your money, but this is what I do with it. When we put statues all over the world, different centers for people to pray. When we die, the statues will remain and will pray. For people who are, they don't understand, now you understand, you can see what we do. Oh, I did this many, I've offered thousands and thousands of statues, thousands, and I'm going to do more, bigger ones. Bigger ones. And you know how many people will come here to pray in the church? So we dress up, we're clean, to show respect to Lama Kongkama. Nice, huh? Exciting. Mama happy? Good. No, inside. Let me explain to them.
सही लो हाँ भाई थोड़ा नीचे कितना मांडू जी साथ बोलता है मट्ठू शुरू
This center is one of the centers of my group. So I want to offer this statue here because many people come here to make prayers and offerings. So we can collect a lot of merit. And we're going to invite Lama Tsongkhapa, his disciples. The clothes will be done. Okay, the mantle is here. And my monks and my people brought it here. They did it 2 days ago. So you give donations to statues like that. I don't need the money because I want to offer temples around the world. And you can create After we go inside, everybody, after we go inside, we make 3 prostration, okay? And we offer kata to Jeremji, we offer the flower to Jeremji, then you sit down, we do a little talk, a little puja, okay? Jeremji family. We will go in front of Jeremchi. All of you go. Hold on, not yet, not yet, not yet. All of you will go in front of Jeremchi. I'll go right in front of him, and we lead him in like we're leading him the king. Alright? After, let them prepare.
ए गुड्डू बट जो तुम चलो पर काटो ना
When we're going in, I want you all to chant Miksama very loud. Okay, chant Miksama together in unison very loud. Okay, practice. Practice like I take examination. This is the tune we sing in Ganden. When we leave the monastery, we enter. This is the tune of Lam Tsongkhapa. When we finish puja, we go out. So we're doing the same as Ganden, okay? Like that. We go in the front. Okay, the first group, unison. Follow me, you guys. We do Ganden style, okay? Everybody come up here. Come. Go in the front. And then wait by the tree there, up front. Right there. Sing, chant loud, happy. Đọc lại trước đi về ra bóc được xong rồi. I have an idea. We can do like this. Perhaps we can move this one to the left and right, and then we can put a cushion on the floor of the cycle there and move this back temporarily. Yeah? I have no other way to do it. Put on the cushion here. Put on the cushion. Halting. Yeah, that's good. Sure. Then. Want you to proceed this sheet. Can we use these tables, Frank? This one can, right? This sheet then. Ni visa shashan. Collect.
Want me to hold it? Yeah, that's all. Please.
Oh yeah, what they did. Okay, you move over this way a little bit. Yes. More balance. Okay. Very nice. Okay, this one. Nugget. Hash. Okay. Now, D 연자 D 대시 하시면 돼요. How are you? You don't know me. I met you. Honestly, about 12 years ago. You weren't ready. How are you? Nice to meet you. And I'm seeing here. The permanent station. You made this place so wonderful. But love it to see you. Thank you. Okay, after they put that, you like the chin right on the pubic. Thank you. Yes, please invite them. Everybody come in. I'll tell you some things first. Everybody come in. Come in. Disperse. Just stay like that. Left and right hand. Some come here, some come here. Some come on the left, some on the left, some on the right. Yes, they can fit. Everybody come in.
Put into lines.
Okay, everybody in? Everybody inside? Quick, come quick. They have a class after this, quick. Everybody in?
Yes.
Okay, now, this is a very holy center in Bodh Gaya, and it's run under the blessings of His Eminence Kyabje Sogyal Rinpoche and his root guru, Lama Tuti Yeshua Rinpoche. And they have many foreign directors who give up their lives, give up their livelihood, give up their pursuits, their worldly and selfish and self-centered pursuits, and they sacrifice some time and energy to come here to run this center for many international people here to learn the Dharma. I've stayed here before, I've attended classes here before, and His Eminence Kyabje Sogyal Rinpoche is one of my teachers, one of my masters. So I had the great honor of coming here last month just to look at the place, and I didn't see a Lama Tsongkhapa inside the throne, inside the altar, so I decided to offer one and dedicate it for His Eminence Kyabje Sogyal Rinpoche's long life, his activities to grow. Because Kyabje Sogyal Rinpoche is very dedicated to spreading the Dharma and spreading His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama's works. So right now we are a small and new group, and we don't have that kind of ability and power to directly assist the great Dalai Lama yet, and my magic word is yet. So we support and help places that do that kind of work and energy. It's the same. Chisuiran in Tibetan means rejoice. So we have the great honor here, and it is our honor to offer a Lama Tsongkhapa to this great institute that has benefited many beings. Sangha, mostly foreign and foreign people here. So I want you to be very happy. I'm going to make we've invited Lama Tsongkhapa and his two holy disciples in here. Now I'll make 3 prostrations to request them to stay. I'll offer a kata, offer a flower, and then after I finish, I'll sit down. All of you do the same. Alright? I'll have 2 monks up in the front. Please pass the katas to them, and they'll put it onto Lama Tsongkhapa for you as a sign of respect. And then all of you grab a seat. The front seats with the cushions, leave that for the holy monks, okay? And then holy monks and nuns that are here, I see nuns also, yes. And then all of you just find a seat anywhere. We'll do a puja, a short Lama Chopa puja. We'll recite in English for your significance. We'll do it very slow and nice, but not too slow because they have a class afterwards. And then all of you are waiting for momos, right? You need to go have some momos. We've already ordered at the Om restaurant. So please, let's do that. Move back a little bit. And think now you have the opportunity to create a holy image and offer to a holy place. And holy lamas and holy sangha will rejoice. And very holy people from many countries will come and make offerings to Lama Tsongkhapa and his holy disciples. So you should think in that kind of way. And not think too much. One of my teachers of London, Sheltek Geshe Gyaltsen, used to say, people like me do not think. So we should just think Papachinizik. Avalokiteshvara's wishes may come true. So when you make prostration offerings, you think, may Avalokiteshvara's wishes come true. You can think, same. May His Holiness Dalai Lama's wishes come true. Just think like that. May His Holiness Dalai Lama's wishes come true. May His Eminence Kajus Sovereignty's wishes come true. Think like that, make 3 prostrations, and sit down, okay? Then I'll give you guys a little talk. And then when we come to a gomba or a temple or a monastery, we must pay respects to the thrones that are there. And here there's a throne, traditionally, just like in Tibet, like in our center, we have a throne for His Holiness, the 14th Dalai Lama. I'll make an offering to the throne, to His Holiness, and you think you're making with me, alright? If we all do it individually, we'll take a lot of time. So I'll make an offering to His Holiness on behalf of Kichara House and all of us. Then I'll make an offering to His Eminence Kajus Sovereignty's throne on behalf of all of us again. Ask for His blessing, alright? 관리 상식 부지 주셔서